Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to set up Spotify on your Amazon Alexa. So if you want to play songs through Spotify on your Amazon Alexa, all you're going to have to do is go into the Amazon Alexa app on a smartphone, then select More here, then Music and More, then select the little cog here in the top corner for the settings. Then you want to select Link New Service if you don't see Spotify here at the bottom. As we see Spotify, we'll select it. You then want to go to Settings. It'll take you over to Spotify where you need to log in or register a new account. Then, once you've accepted all the permissions in Spotify, it'll take you back to the Amazon Alexa app. And now, you'll need to say, Alexa, play songs by Spotify, or whenever you want a specific song and you want Alexa to play it through Spotify, say the song name and then say play through Spotify. However, if you don't want to keep specifying that you want it to be played through Spotify, then I'll show you what to do now. Go again to More here, Music and More, press that cog again. Then this time we want to select Family Default Services. And as you can see, everything at the minute is playing through Amazon Music. So we can press change here towards the edge. And we can see that only Amazon Music popping up. But if you link Spotify in the last step, it will show here and you can select it. And then whenever you ask Alexa to play any music, it'll play it through Spotify. So hopefully that helps you out how to set up Spotify on your Amazon Alexa. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.